Hello, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Buckle up because today, we're diving deep into the world of Bitget Futures Trading and revealing the immense KCGI prize pool. You'll learn how to harness the power of crypto trading and claim your share of the riches. Let's kick things off with a bang, the KCGI prize pool. Get ready to witness rewards that will leave you speechless. Brace yourselves because the KCGI prize pool stands at a staggering 2,500,000 USDT. Now, let's dive into Bitget Futures Trading, your gateway to a world of crypto opportunities. Bitget Futures Trading is more than a platform, it's your passport to unlocking the immense potential of the crypto market. Here's why Bitget Futures Trading is a game changer for users like you. Bitget empowers you to leverage margin and amplify your trading power. Trade smart, and you can achieve extraordinary results. Explore a vast universe of crypto assets on Bitget. Whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a host of others, the choices are limitless. Manage risk like a pro. Bitget equips you with the tools to tailor your strategies to your risk tolerance, ensuring you're always in control. Bitget's user-friendly interface welcomes traders of all levels. Navigating the platform is a breeze, so you can focus on what matters most, your trades. Don't wait. Join the revolution, claim your share of the KCGI prize pool, and immerse yourself in Bitget Futures Trading today. Your journey to crypto wealth begins now. Before we wrap up, let's explore some popular trading strategies you can use on Bitget Futures Trading. Harness the power of price pullbacks to prepare for the next market trend. It's all about timing. Observe market trends and use leverage to capitalize on bullish cycles. The same principles apply for shorting futures contracts in bearish markets. Seize opportunities when asset prices break beyond established ranges. Keep an eye on pending stop orders for clues about impending volatility. Bitget, the dominating crypto derivatives trading platform, is your partner in this journey. Our commitment to integrity, transparency, and a win-win environment sets us apart. Join our thriving community of 8 million users from 100 countries and regions worldwide. Become a part of the top-rated crypto derivatives exchange, recognized for its liquidity. That wraps up our exploration of Bitget Futures Trading and the colossal KCGI prize pool. Now, go out there, trade wisely, and seize those crypto opportunities.